Hey guys, let's take a look at how we can change the air cabin filter of Suzuki Ignis, or even maybe Swift has the same principle of opening and replacing. So let's take a look at how we can do it. Why am I doing this? Because I just freshly got it serviced, and I'm damn sure that they would have actually not changed it. Not would have they only not changed it, they would have just cleaned it and kept it inside, because I think it'll last for close to 20,000 kilometers. But the 10,000 kilometers, since I am a little bit paranoid about the pollution, I am going to change it myself and see how. Let's also see what the difference is at 10,000 kilometers. How dirty is the filter? Okay, so very simple. Let's open this up. The glow compartment opens up like this, very plasticky and dingy, as you can see. And you just need to apply some pressure here on the left side. Okay, apply pressure here, and it drops out like this and comes off. There goes. Simple. Alright, now let's take a look at this place. Let's hope there is enough lighting out there, or else I'll put some lights. Okay, the light is shining. Yeah, let me place the light here. So here you can see there is a single clip mechanism. Okay, all you need to do is press this. Okay, press this and then slide this out. Very dingy and tacky. It just comes off like this, you see. And out there you have your air pollen filter or cabin air filter. Let me take it out. Here you go. All right, so this is how it looks. It looks blocked for sure. It might be clean, but then it certainly is not clean. Okay, you can see the filter element is indeed a bit blocked. All of this is basically, I would say, soot from the fumes that are in the air when you drive in the roads. All right, and it has a specific way to go. So I think this is what it says, up. So it says up, and we'll place it in that same way. Let me compare this side by side. Let's take a look at the new one and the old one. So what do you feel? Worth changing, I guess, right? All right, certainly worth changing. And let's do this. Let's place it back in. So you see airflow, and it says up. So this is the way it needs to go up. So it'll go in like this. Just place it in here, press it inside, and we are done. Yes, of course, we had to close the lid, and then this is very simple mechanism. As you can see, one push mechanism. You have to slide this into the lock here. Okay, that's a lock, and you put it back in. And not really a tight fit, but then yeah, it should work. So there you go, that's done. And then how do you put this back in? So these hinges, as you can see here, you can just place them over their fulcrum out there, and then all you need to do is just slide back in. Done. So it starts working as it's supposed to, and you will breathe some fresher air comparatively once you change it. Till the next 10,000 kilometers. Depends on the kind of area you're driving in. It's very dusty, very polluted, then you must change this more often than not. All right, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Ciao.